Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says that the force of attraction due to a hollow spherical shell of uniform density on a point mass situated inside is zero. So can a body be shielded from gravitational influence? The figure shows elliptical orbit of a planet M about the Sun S. The shaded area of SCD is twice shaded area SAB. If T1 is the time for the planet to move from D to C, and T2 is time to move from A to B, what is the relation between T1 and T2? So we will solve this question. First of all, we will see what will be the key concept used to solve this question. The key concept that will be used to solve this question will be Kepler's law of areas. Kepler's law of areas. Now we will see the force of attraction due to a hollow spherical shell of uniform density on a point mass situated inside is zero, but the body cannot be shielded from gravitational influence. So the answer will be no, the body cannot be shielded from gravitational influence because the gravitational force is independent because the gravitational force is independent of the intervening medium अब हम सेकेंड देखेंगे. हमारे पास केप्लर्स लॉ ऑफ एरियाज से होता है द लाइन दैट ज्वाइंस एनी प्लैनेट टू सन शिफ्ट्स इक्वल एरियाज इन इक्वल इंटरवल्स ऑफ टाइम, दैट इज डेल्टा ए बाई डेल्टा टी इज कांस्टेंट. ठीक है. सो हमारे पास गिवन है कि एरिया ऑफ SCD that is equal to twice of area SAB. ठीक है. तो हमारे पास यहाँ से होगा डेल्टा एरिया ऑफ SCD बाई डेल्टा एरिया ऑफ SAB केप्लर्स लॉ ऑफ एरिया से that will be equal to T1 by T2 and that will be equal to 2. So हमारे पास T1 जो होगा that will be equal to twice of T2 and Kepler's law of areas को also हम बोलते हैं second law of Kepler, second law. ठीक है. So the relation between T1 and T2 will be T1 is equal to twice T2. So this will be the final answer. Hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.